She's back. The last time you seen them together, it didn't end so well, did it?
Oh my god. I think it's scared.
It's shaking. It remembers last time. Alright guys, last time you saw this Gravedigger, it was completely destroyed by a combination of both of us. And now it is fully back from the grave. Fully redesigned, fully rebuilt by the maniac himself, Mr. Byron here. Would you care to explain what you have done to her to bring her back?
I just put it back together.
That's it?
Yeah, I just used all the stock parts.
All the stock parts,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, I didn't know that this Gravedigger was that limited of edition. It has Fox GTR shocks on it.
Nice.
Has the BL2S. I didn't even notice that.
I didn't notice when we wrecked either. It had
And then-
BL2S.
And then the TQI and a good transmission.
Yep.
Green A arms on it.
She's back from the grave. I love the all green parts there, Byron. I think she's gonna work really well. BL2S, the Magnum transmission. Well, she looks brand new. Oh, and it even has
I put an upgrade.
the 2075X servo in there with 2S. This thing's gonna be fun. So let's go to our playground. While we're at it, Bigfoot also got a few upgrades. She's all blue now with some heavy duty stuff. Two old girls. Already smoking the tires. All right, guys, today we're gonna get to watch the brand new Gravedigger right off the bench and a little bit of content from Bigfoot in this playground that Byron and I have built. We also have some audience members over here. What do you guys think is gonna happen today?
Acá está el inodoro que habla.
Round 1.
The Jeep is flying. Yeah. Ooh, that was a good one. Oh, look, you're making a tire turn. Oh, no. Pull the tire off. It's still spinning. That's some good bearings. Oh, you ripped the wheel off. Oh. Oh, no. That was a 3-minute and 15-second run.
Stupid.
The moon messed up, man.
Can you know me forever and ever?
All right, that was his time. That was Gravedigger's time. Go to the audience members. What do you guys rate that? Oh, he's so
Jumped out
mad.
of nowhere. Dude is the only one that lived, bro.
Orange Lambo said, I don't care.
All right, Brett. You ready? That's the only thing I hate about stampedes.
I know they flip.
They just land on their freaking head every time.
I'm gonna go for a little rock jump here. Oh, that was actually a good one. Then I can get a backflip. Yeah.
I'm a little messed up.
The grill coming off. Yeah. I can't be stopped. I can't be.
Where'd you come from?
I can't be stopped.
Oh my god. There you go. We have our medic and ambulance over here. I mean, you let it right onto the... I see that. The grill is gone.
What did you guys rate Bigfoot's performance, huh? Huh? I know you speaking in the back.
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure?
Oh, you want Bigfoot?
Yeah, I want a Bigfoot for just a minute.
Okay.
So the audience lied. That's rude of them.
The audience did lie. Whoa! Whoa! You killed Kevin!
Y'all destroying little tiny cars. That's nothing. They do that all the time.
Oh my god. Oh, the tire's blown.
Blew the tire.
Well, keep her going.
That's what we're gonna do.
Oh my God, that shot over there. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, it's a little messed up. Look at that. The gear right there. Oh, the car flew over here. And another one's right there. The gear's gone. You broke the motor. The harmony of stampedes. Oh God. So yep, after evaluating Gravedigger, that gear is done for. Also, he's got hot race and drive shaft. We forgot to mention that before. But we're gonna get her fixed up and Bigfoot fixed up up again with another gear, and we'll get back to it. All right, Byron decided to go to 32 pitch gears here on Mr. Gravedigger, so it's gonna eliminate that problem of the that gear getting absolutely destroyed over and over and over. We hate these gears now. So you can always run the 32 pitch on these 2-wheel drive cars. You just can't run the cover on them.
Round 2.
Oh yeah, this is round 2. Oh, it landed it. Expect the judges to go big one on that. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, you smacked that one. Gravedigger been sipping that nitro fuel. Nice. Perfect little backflip monster. You don't like the BL2S? It's clogging. Oh yeah, audience almost got it. Oh! 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 Overshot the landing. Gravedigger had a little bit too much to drink. Ooh, we have a new audience member. Bigfoot is in the audience. I mean, it's got power. All right, you're at 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
How does it last?
Nice. I got a grand finale for you, Byron. Hey, first try. Gravedigger's doing good. He's surviving this long. Oh, you're giving me? Gravedigger. Let's go. Gravedigger did excellent. What do you guys rate him? Huh?
Amarillo, 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 los plátanos.
I don't know how they rated you. How did you rate him?
Pretty good.
Damn it. What'd they say?
They said a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
That's weak.
Gravedigger did survive you on that one, though. It's pretty good.
I know.
All right, round 2 with Bigfoot.
Uh-oh.
Hey, that's my medical team.
Hey, stay away from the medical team.
Bigfoot enters the ring. Zara love.
Get it, Zara!
Have another challenge.
Zara, was that fun?
He's out of breath.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Here's Zara. Grab it midair.
Zara! Put it in reverse! Put it in reverse, Terry! Put it in reverse! Zara! Oh, she broke it! She broke it! Oh!
Don't let her over here. The minute she's gonna get it. She broke Bigfoot.
She broke it in
What
it!
did she break?
The screw came out.
Oh, that's it. Oh my God! It survived a Zara attack.
Okay, keep sending it.
Oh, that tire's blown.
That's okay.
I did not expect that at all. The menace.
This is why these dogs are so vicious. I know. She's a sweetie pie.
She took my leg.
She did it twice.
It right into my leg.
Keep sending it. It's fine.
Ooh.
Oh. See, it still drives. It's just a little funny looking.
Oh, my tires have popped. I can't turn. That was actually pretty cool. Ooh, I broke something. What just flew over there? What is that?
It's a tire.
Oh, it's a tire for one of the cars. Ka-chow.
Cow. We're on the Cars movie anyways. I mean, look at all the cars.
We count it as a W only because it's broke. It stayed in.
Yeah. So Zara did a number on that tire.
She broke every tire. But... There we go.
How'd y'all feel about that? 7.2. But this guy's mad.
Why is he mad?
Gabba juju pee pee.
Oh.
You broke my toy.
That was rude.
You broke my toy.
No, that was your dog.
Oh, that's right. She's dying over.
It's so hard to be quiet.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed mini monster jam between Bigfoot and Gravedigger. And if you've seen Byron's rebuild of Gravedigger, is absolutely mint and working very well. Hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe to watch some more.